viewers, I am Rimpa Das. Today I am going to start a new topic, that is accounting for not-for-profit organization, or you can also say not-for-profit organization. Okay. So first of all, we are discussing about the concept of not-for-profit organization. In the upcoming session, we are going to solve all the problems relating to this chapter. Okay. So first of all, we understand about the meaning of not-for-profit organization. Okay. See, usually we carry a business activities to earn profits, right? Why we carry the business? The main objective or intention of every business is to earn profit, right? But in not-for-profit organization are not like that. Their main intention is not to earn profits, so they do not carry on business activities, or they do not carry on any activities with the purpose of earning profits. इनका motive profit earn करना नहीं होता है. Okay, then what could be their purpose or what could be their motive? So their motive will be to serve the society. इनका मोटिव होता है कि सोसाइटी को सर्विस प्रोवाइड करना. ओके, दे डू नॉट वर्क फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ सोसाइटी. ओके, इट कुड बी इन एजुकेशन सर्विस, एक तरह का एजुकेशन सर्विस हो सकते हैं, या फिर हेल्थ केयर सर्विस. इट कुड बी लाइक प्रोवाइडिंग ऑर्फेनेज फॉर किड्स. Okay, so all these are non-for-profit organization whose motive is not to earn profit. Okay, these are also called NGOs. NGOs का मतलब होता है क्या? Non-governmental organization. Okay, if they do not carry on any business activities, then how do they generate income? अगर वो लोग कोई बिजनेस नहीं कैरी नहीं करते हैं तो इनका इनकम कहाँ से आते हैं, है ना? कोई भी बिजनेस अब अगर आप अगर रन कर रहे हो तो इनकम तो चाहिए होगा, मनी चाहिए होगा एक बिजनेस को रन करने के लिए. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द सोर्स ऑफ देयर इनकम? सो द मेन इनकम ऑफ नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज डोनेशन. ओके, इन बिजनेस का मेन इनकम होता है डोनेशन से, which they receive from people, or donations you can also say charity. So non-for-profit organization worked for the welfare of the society. Okay, so now the next point is, what are the accounts to be prepared in the not-for-profit organization? Okay, these are the necessary to maintain this account in business organization. Okay, first, receipt and payment account to be prepared. Okay, in the receipt and payment account, it is a kind of cash book. It is the summary of all cash transactions. It starts with opening cash and bank balance and ends with the closing cash and bank balance. This accounts recorded all receipts and payments irrespective of the period they belong. It records all the receipts and payments in the nature of irrespective payments. It is not a trial balance but such a cash trial. Okay, so the second is income and expenditure account. Okay, so income and expenditure account, this is an account is equivalent to the profit and loss of the business enterprise. Okay, as it is not a profit making organization, so the balance is known as a surplus or deficit. Both cash and non-cash items are considered here. All capital expenses and income are excluded. Only current year's income and expenses are considered in the income and expenditure account. Okay, and the last we prepare balance sheet. Okay, this is prepared to show the amount of assets and liabilities of the concern so as to assess the final position at the end of the accounting period. All these accounts are to prepared in the not for profit organization. Okay, then in the next video we will learn one by one how to prepare these accounts. All these accounts are need to prepare in the not-for-profit organization. Okay, in the next video we will learn one by one how to prepare these accounts and all the theories related in this chapter. We will discuss, and I also give you theory questions with answers. Thank you.